The Nissan Altima is a mid-size sedan produced by the Japanese automaker Nissan. It has been in production since 1992 and has gone through several generations of redesigns and updates. 1. Design and exterior. The Nissan Altima's design has evolved over the years, reflecting various styling trends. It often features a modern and sleek exterior with prominent grille designs, distinctive headlights, and taillights. The car's overall appearance has shifted between more conservative and sportier aesthetics in different model years. 2. Engine options. Altima models typically offer a range of engine options to cater to different performance and efficiency needs. These options include 4-cylinder and V6 engines, with varying power outputs and fuel economy figures. Nissan has also introduced hybrid powertrains for some Altima models to enhance fuel efficiency. 3. Interior comfort and features. The interior of the Altima has been designed to provide a comfortable and spacious cabin for both the driver and passengers. Depending on the model year and trim level, you can expect features like comfortable seating, user-friendly infotainment systems, smartphone integration, advanced driver assistance systems, and more. 4. Safety and technology. Modern versions of the Altima often come equipped with a host of advanced safety features and technology options. These can include automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and more. 5. Performance and handling. While not typically positioned as a sporty sedan, the Altima aims to strike a balance between comfort and performance. Handling characteristics might vary between model years and trim levels, but the focus is usually on providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 6. Fuel efficiency. Altima models, especially those with the 4-cylinder engines and hybrid powertrains, are generally recognized for offering competitive fuel efficiency, making them suitable options for those looking to save on fuel costs. 7. Competitors and market position. The Nissan Altima competes in the mid-size sedan segment, which is highly competitive and includes rivals such as the Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, Mazda 6, Chevrolet Malibu, and Ford Fusion. It aims to appeal to buyers seeking a comfortable and practical sedan for daily commuting and family needs. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.